Hi everyone, I'm Leslie and this is Charlie.
Hi.
And we're here today for Make It Monday. Today we're going to be making a do-it-yourself
Parachute.
Toy parachute. So we've got our little guy right here. He's ready to make a jump out of a plane. This thing really works. It looks better when you do it from a much higher distance, but anyway, I'm going to show you how to do that today with these simple materials. We've got paper napkins. We've got a hole punch, some tape, some yarn. You don't need this much, just a few pieces, and a pair of scissors. So grab your materials and let's get started. The first thing that we're going to do is cut our yarn to be, we're going to cut 4 pieces of yarn that are the same length. So you can use a ruler to do this. I'm just going to do it by sight. About a foot is good, but it can be longer. It doesn't have to be a foot. So we're just going to keep measuring that until we have 4 pieces. Okay, now we've got our pieces of yarn all cut. Now the next step is to open the napkin up completely. So that, yeah, there we go. So we got our napkin here. And then the next step after that is to put tape on all 4 corners, just like this. So you try to put the tape around the same part in every corner. Charlie, you want to do one? Mm-hmm. Charlie's going to help me. There you go, buddy. Then we're going to turn it over and do it on the other side. We're going to put the tape so it's around the same area for each side. We've got our tape on all 4 sides and on both sides of the napkin here. So the next step is to punch a hole onto that tape. And the reason why we're doing this is because the napkins tear easily, and having the tape there is the best way to reinforce so that napkins just don't rip whenever we're tying the strings to them. Okay, now we're going to tie 1 piece of string onto each corner. So I'm going to do one while Charlie, we're both going to do it at the same time. So you're both basically putting your fine motor skills to use, you're threading it through the hole like this, and then tying a knot right here, which can be hard even for those of us who have good fine motor skills. So yeah, the corners are going to look like this. Not great or anything, but it's okay. Nobody's going to be paying attention to that. And if you want to, you can tape down the extra string, which I think we're going to do. So I'm going to do that so there's just not too many pieces of string hanging. Now we have all of our strings tied to the holes that we made with the hole punch. So the next thing that we need to do is to tie 2 strings together like this. So you take them 2 from each side. You tie them together into a double knot. And then we're gonna do, so you see how we had these 2 kind of big pieces right here? We're gonna tie those again to make armholes, because this right here is going to be the armhole for our little toy figure. So our last step is to, now that we have so we have 2 armholes made here. We've got our parachute strings and our parachute itself. So now all we need to do is put our little guy into the armholes, and then we're going to take him outside and make him fly. Okay, now we've got our parachute out here. We're going to test it out. Go ahead, Charlie. Woo! So cool. All right, everybody, that's it. That's how you make a do-it-yourself toy parachute. Thank you for joining me, Charlie, and our little Lego friend here in the making of this parachute. And we will see you next time. Okay, bye.